Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Shoaib. Today I'm going to give you a very simple trick to write an OET letter, a perfect OET letter. People get really confused when they are writing an OET letter. They get confused what to include in the letter and what to exclude from the case notes. And that's a real question. What information should be included in an OET letter and what information should be excluded? I'm going to give you a very simple tip, and if you follow that tip, you are definitely going to write a perfect letter. You are definitely going to fulfill the criteria of inclusion and exclusion of information from case notes for a perfect OET letter. So the tip is, before writing even a very simple sentence, just think if this sentence is going to help the reader in order to fulfill the purpose or not. If that sentence is not going to help the reader in order to fulfill the purpose, then do not write that sentence. Very simple trick. For example, if you are referring a patient to gastroenterologist to diagnose and treat a gastric problem, a stomach problem, and there is an information in the case notes, for example, there is the information like patient has 2 children. Now, you know if you include this information in your letter, this information is not going to help the gastroenterologist in order to diagnose or treat this condition. Therefore, this information is unnecessary and you should not include this in your letter. If you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe to our channel so that we can provide you with more information like this. Thank you.